Today we're checking out the electric shield from HJC, and if you ride in cold weather at all, you already know why an upgrade like this matters. It's a clear shield, no tint, which means you can run this day or night, not worried about visibility. This replaces your standard visor, but the big upgrade here is that it's heated. So instead of dealing with fog, frost, or cracking your shield open every 5 minutes, this actually keeps the shield warm while you ride. The shield feels solid too. It's the same thickness as your normal shield, and install is really easy. You pop your old one off, you click this one in, and you're basically ready to go. You've got the built-in heating elements right here and the connectors. You'll just need a compatible power lead on your sled or helmet setup, and once that's hooked up, you're good. It also stays pin lock ready, which is nice if you already have that a part of your setup. Honestly, this is one of those upgrades where once you use it, you don't want to go back. If fog shields drive you crazy, this is a super simple upgrade that makes a huge difference. So don't wait, head to DennisKirk.com and grab your shield today.